Okay, the third malacha is והקוצר, which means and harvesting. Okay, Tana is, we learned. Hakotzer, someone that harvests. This is normally referring to harvesting wheat. Haboitzer is harvesting grapes. I'll just write grapes, and you'll know that it's harvesting. Hagoider is someone that harvests dates. I'll just write that on top. Obviously, goider doesn't mean dates. The word tamar means a date, but this means harvesting dates. So let's just put in over here harvesting. Harvesting, and then we would have either harvesting wheat, grapes. Put 2 dots here, that'll help us out. Masik, v'hamasik is olives, and v'ha'ira is figs. These are all different types of harvesting, and if a person does all of those things, kulan malacha achas, they're all one type of work, which means that you'd only have to bring 1 korban if you did all of them in one forgetting. So Amar of Papa. Papa says, "Hi man, this person, the shada that threw the dalet at the beginning of a word means that. It's like a Hebrew shin. In Hebrew we'd say shezarak. In Aramaic we say dish shada. Shada means to throw, and the dalet means that. Pisa is a clod. It's referring to a clod of dirt. Ladiklan to a palm tree. Va'atar tamri. You have to put in atar. Atar tamri, it means in it cut off the dates. Tamarim are dates. So the halacha is that he's chayev shtayim. He's going to be chayev 2 karbanos. Achas mishum toilish, 1 because of severing, which means cutting, and achas mishum mefarik, and 1 because of extracting. Okay, Rashi is going to tell us that toilish is a tolda of kotzer, of harvesting, and mefarik is a tolda of dash. Later on, Tosfos will argue with that, but that's a different discussion. So you're chayev 2, you're chayev for severing the dates off the tree, and you also because you extracted them. We'll see in Rashi what exactly you did, and Tosfos will argue. Rav Ashi says, "Ein derech tlisha bekach." Bekach means so, and ein derech means it's not the way to do talisha. Talisha is again to sever, and ve'in derech prika, and it's not the way to do extracting in such a way. Okay, we're going to take a look at Rashi. We'll do this quickly. It says, let's move it over, drop more. Goider, which meant harvesting, but it's referring to tamarim, which is dates. Well, let's underline it. Goider was dates, moisik was olives, bezesim, oira, which is all of these are types of harvesting, is beteinim, is with figs. Okay, Rashi again translates an Aramaic word. The shada pisa ledikla is zarak pisas regavim. Regavim, that would be just dirt, and pisas regavim means a clod of dirt, ledekel into a palm tree. All Rashi is doing is translating Aramaic into Hebrew. Vater tamri is hishir hatmarim, which means he removed the dates. In toilish, here's already we're up to something interesting. Rashi claims that toilish is a tolda of kotzer. It's not kotzer itself, because kotzer itself would only be with a sickle. Here you didn't use a sickle, you didn't use a tool, and so therefore it wouldn't be considered kotzer. It's only considered toilish, which is a tolda. Okay, the next Rashi, we'll try to fit it in. I'm going to have some trouble doing that. Let's see if I can extend this. Yeah, we'll do it like this, so we'll zoom out. Okay, here we go. Mefarik. Rashi says mefarik is a tolda de dash. I want to make sure that's clear. I'm going to highlight it. Tolda de dash. Dash meant threshing. Shemefarik tvua mishibaleh, which means that you extract the grain from the shibalim, from the husk. Lashon pyrik, which means to unload. Minachamar, from a donkey. And Rashi just tells us what it is in Old French. And he brings this from Rabbeinu Levi, that's what he found. And here he says, you're taking the dates